Hi dear students, a warm good morning to Vidyanagar online classes. It's me Anu Kumar, your science teacher. Today we can discuss the continuations of the last chapter agriculture. So here today we can discuss the cropping pattern of India. I think that you already know in the last two classes, the previous years, three seasons and crops in India. Especially Rabi crops, then Kharif crops and Zaid crops. Now in India, three cropping pattern and seasons are the Rabi, Kharif and Zaid. And Rabi crops are sown in the winter from October to December and harvested in the summer season from April to June. These are the time period of the Rabi crops. Sown in the especially crops are sown in the soil in the winter from October to December, harvesting in the summer from April to June. And very famous Rabi crops are the wheat, barley, peas, gram, and mustard. Wheat, barley, peas, gram, and mustards are the very famous Rabi crops in our India. Wheat, barley, peas, gram, and mustard. And states are very famous for the Rabi crops are Punjab, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu, and Uttar Pradesh. Punjab, Haryana, Jammu, and Uttar Pradesh and Himachal Pradesh are the very famous Rabi crops grown in area. And that state is, especially during the time of the winter, there is having a precipitation or the rainfall because of some western disturbances or the cyclone. As a result of the cyclone, in this winter season, they got precipitation or the rainfall. That happened to the growth of the Rabi crops. And some states, especially Punjab, Haryana, and UP area, green revolutions is a great success. As a result of the impact of green revolutions in this state is Rabi crops in a small hectares of the land. That was productive one, and they exporting these Rabi crops to other states and other nations. So green revolution helping the Punjab, Haryana, and UP area for growing the Rabi crops in India. So that's about the Rabi crops. Once again, Rabi crops sown in the winter from October to December, harvesting in the summer from April to June. And wheat, barley, peas, gram, mustards are the very famous Rabi crops. Punjab, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu, UP are the very famous for this one. And precipitation got at the time of the winter because of some cyclone disturbances that helped to the growth of the Rabi crops. And green revolution and their impact in some states in Haryana, some states called like the Haryana, UP and Punjab area. It is helped to the growth of the Rabi crops now in India. So that is about the Rabi crops. The next one is called Kharif crops. Kharif crops for the season grown in the onset of the monsoon and harvested in the September to October. Onset of the monsoon time, Kharif crops are grown in the soil, mainly planted in the soil, and harvesting the time of the September to October. So once again, Kharif crops grown in the onset of monsoon and harvested in the September to October. And very famous Kharif crops are the paddy, maize, then jowar, bajra, then jowar, mung, urad, cotton, jute, groundnut, and soybean. Once again, most important Kharif crops are the paddy, then maize, then jowar, then bajra, then jowar, then mung, urad, cotton, jute, groundnut, and soya. These are the very famous Rabi crops. And in that area, the rice is very famous in the Assam, Maharashtra, UP, Bihar, Punjab and Haryana area. Rice is very famous in Assam, Maharashtra, UP and Bihar. And also in a commercial basis, it is cultivating in the Punjab and Haryana. And in some states, especially Assam, West Bengal, Odisha, three crops of the paddy in an year they are cultivating. There are three types of the paddy cultivated in an year is the Aus, Aman and Bor. States called Assam, West Bengal, Odisha. Three crops of the paddy in an year they cultivating. Then three types of the paddies are the Aus, Aman and Boros are these one. Three types of the paddy crops are grown in an year that is commonly called Aus, Aman and Bora. The last season is called Zaid season. Zaid season is the last one. In between the Rabi and Kharif season, short season during the summer month is called Zaid season. In between the Rabi and our Kharif season, we can see a small season of the summer month is called Zaid season. Crops are cultivated during this period, summer season, watermelon, then muskmelon, then cucumber, then vegetables and fodder crops itself. These all things are cultivated during the time of the Zaid season. Once again, last crops are Zaid crops of the season. In between the Rabi crops and Kharif crops in a short season during the summer month In a short season during the summer month is called Zaid season. In between the Rabi and Kharif season. Crops are watermelon, then muskmelon, then cucumber, then vegetables and fodder and crops. Fodder crops are the very famous example for the Zaid season. So that's about our today in this seasons in our. Next we can discuss the major crops in our India. First major crops in our India, largest producer of China, that is called rice. Rice is one of the most important staple food in our India. Majority of the area in our India, people are cultivating, people are having the rice. It is a rabi crops in our India. Zone in the winter season. It's a rabi crops and zone in the winter season. And rice is needed the high temperature, that much above 25 degrees Celsius needed for the growth of the rice. High temperature is needed for the compulsory for the rice cultivation and their growth. Almost about 25 degrees Celsius temperature is needed for their growth. And rainfall per annum 100 centimeter, less than 100 centimeter. Rainfall is compulsory for the rice cultivation. And it depends upon the moisture of the soil. Moisture of the soil depends upon the growth of the rice. And grown in North India, Kerala, West Bengal, then Assam, then Punjab and Haryana region. And second largest producer of the rice in the world is called India. Next after the China is leading. And some of the areas in our India, with the help of the irrigation, some of the dry area itself, they cultivating, the people cultivating the rice. And rice grown areas in our India are the north, northeastern and coastal and delta region. On this region, rice are cultivating largely. And with the help of the canal and tubers and irrigation, then Punjab, Haryana, Western UP and Rajasthan part itself, our rice is cultivating largely. So that's about the rice once again. Rice is a rabi crops zone in the winter season and 25 degree above Celsius temperature is compulsory for the rice cultivation and rainfall per annum 100 centimeter less than 100 centimeter is needed and it depends upon the moisture of the soil and subsoil and grown in the Kerala, West Bengal, then Assam, Punjab, Haryana and this art area. Now world China is leading for the production of the rice, second position for our India. With the help of the irrigation, some of the area it is expanding. And it is grown in the north, northeastern and coastal plains and delta regions in our India. With the help of the canals and tubal, some of the area rice are cultivating largely, especially Punjab, Haryana, West UP and Rajasthan part rice is cultivating. So that's about the rice. Okay. Then next one is called wheat. And wheat is also one of the simple one. It is a kharif crops. Our rice is rabi, wheat is kharif crops. Zone in the after the onset of monsoon. After the onset of the monsoon, sown by the wheat. And rainfall needed above the 50 to 75 centimeter rainfall. Above 50 to 75 centimeter rainfall is compulsory for the growth of the wheat. And depends upon the monsoon. Depends upon the monsoon. Growing areas are the Punjab, Haryana, UP, Bengal, Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh. Growing areas are the Punjab, Haryana, UP, Bengal, then not Bengal, Bihar, Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh. Punjab, Haryana, UP, Bihar, Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh are the area for the growth of wheat. And it's a food crops in the north and northwest parts of our India. North India and northwest parts of India, people's staple food is called wheat. The second one, staple food. And it needed the cool growing season and bright sunshine. It is needed the cool growing season and ripening time. It is needed the bright sunshine. It is needed the one cool growing season and ripening time. It is needed the bright sunshine. And two sounds of the our wheat areas are the production areas are the Ganga Satluj plain in the northwest part and black soil area of the Deccan Plateau, Deccan area. This is conducive for the wheat cultivation. So once again, wheat is a kharif crops zone after the onset of the monsoon and rainfall is compulsory. That is above the 50 to 75 centimeter rainfall is compulsory for the growth of the wheat. And it depends upon the monsoon. Depends upon the monsoon. And grown in the Punjab, Haryana, UP, Bihar, Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh. And it is a food crops of the sample foods of North India, northwestern parts of India. And it is needed the cool growing season. Cool growing season and bright sunshine at the time of the ripening. Ripening time is the growing time. And two zones of the production of the wheats are the Ganga Satluj plain regions of the northwest and black soil regions of the Deccans are the most two important area and zone of the production of the wheat. So that's about our today's class. We today discuss mainly about the three seasons and cropping seasons in our India: Kharif, Rabi, and Zaid. Then we discuss about the two major crops, rice and wheat. I hope that is very clear. If you have any doubt about this part, you can ask me through WhatsApp call and text message. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.